If your Epic Games launcher is showing the game unavailable error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This problem is usually caused by a launcher glitch, a stuck background process, or a corrupted web cache. And the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll show you the most effective method first, plus a couple of extra fixes that can help if the issue still doesn't go away. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and PC tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is fully close the Epic Games launcher. Just clicking the X in the corner is not always enough because the launcher can keep running in the background. To completely shut it down, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. If you're on Windows 11 and Task Manager doesn't show right away, you can also use Control, Shift, and Escape to open it directly. In Task Manager, look for any process related to Epic Games or Epic Games Launcher. If you see it running, click it once, then select End Task. Do this for every Epic-related process you find, because even one stuck process can stop the launcher from refreshing properly. After that, restart the Epic Games Launcher and check if the Game Unavailable error is gone. If it's still there, the next thing to try is signing out and signing back in. Sometimes your account session becomes stale and the launcher needs a fresh login to load your library correctly. So open Epic Games Launcher, go to your profile or account area, sign out completely, and then sign back in with the same account that owns the game. Once you're signed in again, refresh the library and see if the game now appears normally. If that still doesn't fix it, the most effective solution is to clear the Epic Games Launcher web cache. This step is very important because cached browser data inside the launcher can become corrupted and cause display issues, login issues, and missing game errors. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is fully closed again. Then press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. From there, find the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Next, open the saved folder. Inside the saved folder, look for a folder named Webcache. Delete the Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, this is safe, and the launcher will rebuild it the next time it starts. After deleting it, restart your computer. Restarting helps clear anything still stuck in memory and gives the launcher a clean start. Once your PC boots back up, open Epic Games Launcher again and check whether the Game Unavailable message is fixed. If you still get the error, there's one more fix that works very well for a lot of users. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running as admin gives the launcher the permissions it needs to access files, update content, and load your game library properly. If the launcher opens correctly this way, you may want to keep using this option whenever you run it. And if you want, you can even set it to always run as administrator from the Properties menu. At this point, one of these methods should most likely fix the issue. In most cases, fully closing the launcher, clearing the web cache, and running it as administrator will solve the Game Unavailable error in Epic Games. If the problem is gone, go ahead and test the game again and confirm it opens normally. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.